Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to understand how do we exactly access the dataset and how do we understand the structure of the dataset through R. I'm opening the R studio for you and I hope you can see that. This is the console. If I type some commands here, for example, if you want to clear the screen, you can always use this clear console option or Control L. When you do that, it gets cleared. And you've got the same option available even here. You can clear the screens with those kind of options here. You can see that here we have an option available. So you can clear all those, and I explained you the purpose of the files, plots, packages, help viewer in the previous session. And now it is going to be the next session where we will understand how exactly to access the dataset and how to understand the structure of the dataset. First, we will understand the structure of the dataset, and for that we have to use something called as STR. STR is nothing but structure of the dataset, and you can understand the structure of the dataset through this. And I will take the most famous IRIS dataset first. IRIS dataset you must be aware of, and there are two datasets available in this, IRIS and IRIS3. And this is the dataset that gives you the measurements in centimeters of the variables sepal length and width and petal length and width respectively for about 50 flowers from each of the three species in IRIS. Similarly, there is IRIS3 also. When you click that and press enter, you will get the details here. There are 150 observations of 5 variables for each of this. So that's what we can understand, and we have got the structure of the dataset IRIS. Well, I'm going to see the structure of another dataset called as body fat. STR body fat. When I do that, I'll get a message saying that it is not available because we have not got the package available in this tool, and we need to import the package or install the package, however you call it. Now, how do we do it? Very simple. We can go to tools, and there is an option for install packages. Just click that, and once you click that, you will have the option for packages. You can mention here if you have multiple packages available, and in this case what I want to install is th. You can see that th.data. So I am giving that. Once I click install, it will all happen and the installation will go on. It takes about a few seconds for you to get the complete installation done, and you get this message. Well, can I use the STR of body fat right now? Is it possible? We will try body fat. No, it didn't work. Why? Very simple, it didn't work because we have not imported it completely. How do we import it completely? We have an option available, data, and in that body fat, and we need to tell from which package we are to download it. Package equal to which package did we get it from? th.data. So once you do that, it is kind of available and you can access it. Now you could see that once we do that, we get the accessing, and the structure of the dataset is clearly revealed here. You could see that here, and you have got the complete structure of the dataset clearly available. 71 observations of 10 variables, age, dex, fat, all these are presented here for you clearly. And similarly here we have got 5 variables available, and 150 observations for each of them is presented. You can even install all the packages. You can make all the packages install option available enabled here, but it is not a right option because when you install all the packages, that actually overloads your software. So please understand, whichever package you need alone you can install, and that would reduce the impact, that would reduce the weight on the software for it to process. So it's very easy for you to do. I hope you made it, you understood it very clear, and I made it very clear as well. You have used the console from where you can understand the structure of the data sets, and I used STR. I have used the default already available dataset here with the STR of IRIS. It was available and we got it displayed quickly. And at the same time, I also downloaded the packages for the body fat, and I have shown you that as well. You can get all those data updates available here as well, and it's all very easy for you to understand. Try it out, and in case you have any questions, you please let me know so that I can answer that whenever I find time. You can see that immediately it runs fine, and that's it. It's very simple. Try it out, and if you have any questions, please ping me. Thank you.